Hey class, welcome to the second semester of field placement, and for many of you guys, our last semester. I'm so excited. I just want to remind my class the field I am in is a school social worker. I've been with the same district for the last 2.5 years doing field placement, so I'm really excited to be continuing with them and hopefully hired on after I'm done with this class. I really enjoy about my field experience. My coworkers, my supervisors are amazing. They really try to implement social workers into the school process and inform teachers of trauma and admin and counselors. And we are really big in this school, so I feel like we get really good feedback, and I really enjoy that. Um, One challenge I've faced in this field experience is COVID. It's been really hard to meet with students because of virtual telehealth. There's a lot of thin lines right there, and it's hard to meet with students in compliance to telehealth. And we have to make sure we're doing counseling related services, and we're not just meeting them, and we're not doing risk assessments and a lot of different things. So it's a lot of gray areas, so that's definitely a challenge. And one thing I've learned about myself through the field experience is that if I just take a deep breath, and I mean, right now I'm talking fast, but if I just take a deep breath and I can, calm down and just think about the problem or the task at hand, I can complete anything I put my mind to. So that's a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to watching everyone's videos, and I'm super excited to graduate in May.